Healthy baseline. Clean mouth right after brushing.
A few hours after eating mang, bacteria begin to multiply.
Bacterial colonies expand rapidly across teeth.
Bacteria produce acids that attack enamel.
Plaque thickens slightly overnight.
Plaque builds denser and more yellow the next day.
Early demineralization creates hazy white spots.
Tartar hardens further, creating rough surfaces.
Gums react. Early signs of gingivitis appear. Inflammation glow rises in the gum tissue.
Gums show increased fragility from inflammation.
Small periodontal pockets start forming. Pockets deepen from ongoing bacterial invasion.
Bacteria burrow deeper below the gum line.
Supporting jawbone begins subtle recession.
Bone loss progresses around tooth roots.
Cavity enlarges through the enamel layer.
Dentin exposure increases sensitivity.
Bad breath begins from bacterial sulfur compounds.
Chronic irritation causes gums to recede.
Teeth start feeling loose from bone loss.
Abscess pressure begins building in gum tissue.
Bacteria begin leaking into the bloodstream.
Low-grade systemic inflammation starts spreading.
Arterial plaque begins to accumulate.
Gum recession becomes widespread.
Multiple pockets deepen across the mouth.
Heavy tartar accumulation continues. Existing cavities expand simultaneously.
Gums swell more extensively from inflammation.
Bone loss accelerates in several areas.
Multiple abscesses form in different gum areas. Systemic impact reaches the heart.
Pockets continue to deepen dramatically.
Extensive tartar covers nearly all surfaces. Cavities grow large and numerous. Gums recede severely in all areas.
Bone destruction becomes significant.
Chronic bad breath is overwhelming.
Systemic inflammation affects arteries broadly. Pockets reach maximum depth around most teeth.
Cavities expose pulp in several teeth. Gums almost completely receded.
Bone support nearly gone in key areas. Decay reaches advanced stages.
Systemic inflammation peaks in vessels.
Bone loss leaves roots fully exposed.
Decay causes tooth structure breakdown.
Gums disappear almost entirely.
Systemic effects intensify on organs.
Abscesses reach critical size.
Decay spreads to neighboring teeth.
Final edge of neglect approaches.
Near total destruction of oral health.
Severe advanced periodontitis. Massive bone destruction.
Advanced widespread decay and potential tooth loss. Large cavities, broken tooth remnants, prominent abscess pockets.
Prevention is possible. Brush twice daily, floss. See your dentist regularly.